So,
So,
we made
We
it
reached the
to the
first
first
episode.
episode. We reached the
yay!
first episode. What an amazing journey! What an amazing journey of a 3 minute 17-second trailer, which actually didn't get a lot of views to be very honest, but it was still a journey, I guess.
Yeah, I
It was
we
Right?
got
fun.
7 views
Yes.
in 2 hours. That's an achievement for my career at least.
And this is the
Yeah.
first video of my actual career, so
Hmm. It's not the first video of your actual career. Your first video in your actual career
Got
was a
copy
video
striking.
about.
it was a complete
Yes, it
meme
got copy strike
Guess by
by
who?
Disney
By Disney. That means your
by
and
achievement was
Disney,
something.
by none
for
other than
using
Disney.
the song Frozen. That was last year,
Not
by the way.
Frozen. The song was not Frozen, it was Let It Go. Please.
EE. Who cares about Disney anyway?
Even
They
though
You
copy
I,
strike
added
me, right?
even
you
though I
added
haven't
deadly
seen,
lasers in Let It Go. Of course something was gonna happen, right?
they take it very
Yeah, but
offensively that you add deadly lasers to children's songs.
it was fun,
Let
right?
it go.
That's the point. It was fun.
But let it go. It is such a good song. Why did you do that?
Can I make a bad joke
You
here?
ruined Let It Go. The stage is yours.
I
We
guess
are on air.
I guess Disney didn't let it go.
Oh God.
Well, apparently they
Uh,
didn't because this nobody YouTuber who off date had I think 70 views, around 70 views. He just got copy striked by Disney. Look how popular you are.
I am very popular among the Disney people. They copy strike me because I use their song. Moving on to more pressing matters.
What is
Vyoman, would you
said
like
pressing
to take it a
matter?
go? I'm guessing Vyoman would like to take it a go. Right?
uh,
Introduce the topic.
Topic. Okay. So we were going to talk about TV shows today, specifically the TV shows we like and the TV shows we don't like. And since there aren't many TV shows we don't like, as we are not bold enough to actually not like something, I guess this is going to be the TV shows we like. Basically, all the TV shows we've seen.
Yes,
So
because
Yeah,
I
we've
we
guess
probably
like
liked
let's
everything we
everything.
see.
now there is going to be this
Exactly.
policy where we don't talk about dark.
Yes,
We only
please.
talk about shows. We only talk about shows all three of us have seen, or only one of us has seen.
Can we
Because
include
I
suits
will
in
Yeah,
the?
definitely be talking about suits.
I
I'm
said
definitely
include
talking
suits
about
in the
suits.
no talk list. Include suits.
But I'm
yeah.
not. I'm not buying that. I'm going to talk about it whether you like it or not.
No, okay, fine. But
Why
please
don't
no
you
dark.
start?
Yeah,
No
no
dark,
dark.
Thank you.
promise.
Okay, shout
But
out.
it's a
Dark
good
is a
show.
really amazing show. Yeah, Dark is a really amazing show, and it just got number one on the IMDb rankings. Number one show, top grossing show. It defeated Chernobyl.
And,
Which
Damn,
is like an
that
epic
was
show.
coming.
and
Yeah,
now we are never going to talk about
9.6.
it.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
now we are never going to talk about it.
I might talk
Good.
about Chernobyl.
Yeah, then we could. I want to watch that.
Uh,
I have a lot of series to watch.
You do. You really do.
Spoiler alert for all people who don't know anything about Chernobyl, everybody dies
Well,
in a nuclear accident.
it's a nuclear
Within
accident.
4 years.
Reactor 4 goes bum patapam. Of course, everybody dies.
That would. That's a good. That's a very unique new reaction. Bum pada pam. I'm definitely going to use it later on.
Yes, Marvel Comics is actually trying to. I mean, Marvel Comics is surprised that you came up with it before them. They have massacred all forms of uh,
Verbal
onomatopoeia.
speech.
Yeah, the
Yes,
Yeah, that's a
kapow,
that's
that's
smash.
the
literal. That's
idea
the
of
actual term.
comics.
Yeah,
You,
well, so we transgressed from TV shows to comics. How lovely. We are
And we
definitely
didn't
not on
even talk
track.
about them.
we did.
Yeah,
When did you ever decide to
and
stick
I
to a
have a lot
topic
to
in our
rant about
lives?
comics. So, yeah,
Can
I
we
have a
keep
lot to
comics
rant
for
about
another day?
comics.
Comics for another day. Don't talk over me.
I have I have a lot to rant about how they spoilt everybody's relationship in every single comic. So, I don't know.
Okay, that could
And
be next episode.
Aquaman was on air. Aquaman was on air yesterday. It was a
Shut
terrible movie.
up. Shut up.
Who
Comics
even reads
for
comics?
another day.
Yeah.
You are
Okay, this part is
assuming we
not
will
going.
get another day.
That too.
Yeah. Before Disney copy strikes us for copy striking, talking about copy striking Disney. Let's wait till that happens and then we'll continue. Anyway, on to more pressing matters.
Everybody
We're
likes
going to talk
Brooklyn
about
Nine-Nine.
TV shows. Everybody loves Brooklyn
Everybody
Nine-Nine.
likes Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
That
Loves,
show is
definitely.
pure gold.
If you
That show
hate
is pure
Brooklyn Nine-Nine
gold.
for some weird reason, you are official weirdo.
That is, if you like comedies but do not like Brooklyn Nine-Nine. It's like one of the
Yeah,
best shows out
that's,
there. And best of all,
I know.
it's unique. It is unique. It's not like Friends. No hate towards Friends. I love that show as well. But it's not like Friends. It's repetitive
Yeah,
stuff
I
going on.
have a
It's
bone to pick. Yeah, Brooklyn Nine-Nine is really good, though I personally think that 23, 24 episodes in every season was more promising. The number of episodes has gone down in season 6 and 7 drastically, and that has left me devastated. But
But
I
I
have
will
a bone
say,
to pick with the guys. I have a bone to pick with the guys who
okay,
made Friends. I don't get this. You name the show Friends. 10 seasons later, except the brother and sister, almost everybody has slept with everybody. How the
that's
hell is this
Friends.
okay,
supposed to
that
be
is true.
Friends? Is this Friends with
Fun
benefits?
fact for you.
Could
Fun fact
be.
for you, the guys who created Friends also picked up Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and they are the reason why we have less amount of episodes.
I
NBC,
know
we
that.
love you guys.
NBC.
Do not copy
NBC.
strike us.
Kill them, kill them. Yeah, don't copy strike us. We love
But
you.
the
We love
original
you.
people who made Brooklyn
We
Nine-Nine,
secretly love you.
they also made Parks and Recreation and The Office, US version. So
I also have a bone to pick with the guys who cancelled it, Fox. And I'm just thankful that NBC picked it up again.
even though they
I was going to
produce
miss
less
the show.
episodes, thankfully it still
Yeah,
Yeah.
continues.
yeah,
Yeah, we're talking of Brooklyn Nine-Nine here, right?
Yes.
yep.
Yeah, good. So I still haven't finished season 6.
Guys, pause, pause, pause. My mom is calling me for some reason.
Yeah,
God
okay.
damn it.
Don't
Uh,
stop your recording.
I've not
Yeah, don't
stopped my
stop the
recording,
recording.
Thank you.
but 2 minutes. Give me two
Oh
minutes.
Yeah,
My mom is
okay.
God.
calling me.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Shall we continue without him for 2 minutes or something?
Of course, we can continue without him for 2 minutes.
Okay, so going back,
He wasn't adding much anyway.
3, 2, 1. So we just
Yeah.
now had a dear friend leave us for a few minutes.
Yeah, he left us only for a few minutes. Again,
Thankfully.
assuming that he makes out of that alive. We are assuming a lot of things.
Yeah,
But back to TV shows.
well,
Yes.
I'll say
Okay.
most of what we study are just assumptions, like theories. They are just assumptions, right?
Yeah. So now back to TV shows. Now, what's TV shows without the Big Bang Theory?
I actually haven't watched all of it, to be honest. I watched them.
Nor have I.
Uh,
Nor have I.
and up.
Like there's just
Oh
too
God.
many episodes to watch it.
Oh, and you're back. Great.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm back.
Yeah.
Why didn't you leave
Yeah, he's
forever?
back.
I left for like less than a minute. My mom got hurt on a finger.
Ah,
Okay.
I went to fetch the medicine.
Good. So we have a responsible
Moving on.
son out here. Unlike me.
Yeah.
I'm the one who
Can we
usually
go
gets
back on
hurt.
air?
We
Can we
are
go
on
back on
it.
and I'm the one who got
We are
hurt
on it.
on the head by a
Yeah.
bat.
Yeah. Oh, let's talk about that one incident where this guy, the blue chalk, tried his amazing shenanigans in school and got his nose hurt extremely badly. Vyoman, not
His
Vyoman,
front two teeth.
My
TBC, would you
teeth,
do the honors of
nothing
explaining?
happened to my teeth.
Nothing happened to your teeth, but what would you like
Okay.
the honors to
Okay.
explain what exactly
As
happened?
as as a as an innocent bystander, I Vyoman Hawk Boy official. No, sorry, cut that. Boy Hawk official. I just keep messing
Butchered
up
your
my
own
own
name.
name. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just saying it again. Okay, I as an innocent bystander, I Boy Hawk official, Vyoman Dave, I'm going to tell exactly what happened. So we were trying these parkour stunts without the parkour and without the stunts. We
Paco.
were just
We were
trying
just
some
running
bullshit.
over something.
we
Yeah.
were just running we were just running over some inclined slopes. Now,
Yep.
there was this thing where we had to jump from one inclined slope to another inclined slope.
No, that's not exactly
Get
how
it, guys?
that.
This is our school. This is our school, okay?
It was my
So,
patented method of going across people while I was running.
yes, we saw what that patented method fetched you, so you better stay
That
shut
was a
up.
And we
fail,
also,
but rest of the
and
days
to
I do
date,
it.
I do not know. To date, I do not know what was the reason for that, but it was immensely hilarious. That's what I can
Yeah,
I can
promise.
explain the reason. First, you explain what happened.
okay, I'll just go ahead and say what happened. So, the blue chalk here just decided to run and he decided to jump as well. Turns out he tripped and his face smashed into the pavement, or was it a pot? It was definitely a
Pot.
pot.
It was a pot. It
His
was a pot,
face,
flower pot.
yes, his
Broke a
face
pot.
smashed into a flower pot. His face smashed into a flower pot and there was blood everywhere.
No.
And yet it wasn't a very bad sight, to be honest. Like, I felt sorry for you, mate, but it was funny. I have to admit that.
That is what friends do. Laugh at when other friends have something terrible happen to them. That is completely normal.
Apparently, friends also sleep with each other. So
Nope. I ain't sleeping
no
with you guys.
takeaways.
Nah, 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 nah.
Yeah.
See, you just said that's what friends do, but this popular show just redefined what friends do.
Those
So
aren't friends. Those are
I
just
don't know.
friends. Other kinds of friends.
Uh, our
The
Discord
ones
server is
with
titled
benefits.
f.r.i.e.n.s. Friends. That friends. So
Okay.
I hope we are not sleeping with each other anytime soon.
Hmm. I would hate a night
Nope.
over.
Nope. Nope. Definitely
Yeah,
nope.
yeah. Okay. So the Big
We
Bang
were
Theory. We
talking
were
about.
talking about the Big
No,
Bang
no, no. We
Theory.
were talking about. We were talking about this guy smashing his head. How did we go to be? He said he would explain it. He did not explain it.
What's there to explain? He smashed his head.
No, how I fell
No, no,
and
but
smashed my head.
yeah, yeah, yeah. From the first
See,
person view
basically, that
perspective.
incline slope wasn't a curved incline slope with incline on all sides. It was a one-way incline slope with a sharp right angle on one side. So basically, I have to jump on top of that, dodging that sharp angle.
May I remind you? May I remind you that this does not justify or explain the reason why you did those things in the first place.
No, I did that because lot of times I've seen there are people just hogging the area, and then I had to go running, and so I came up with a method of jumping on that inclined platform and jumping out to get past them very quickly.
And what use
We
will
all
that thing be?
witnessed. We all witnessed how you smashed your head, so we can all agree how useful that method was.
It works
Well,
when it works.
this guy, this guy was the Bruce Banner for this experiment, except he never turned into the Hulk. He turned into a guy with a broken
I
nose.
didn't have a broken nose for the
So,
record.
for the
Well,
record,
at least he
will
got.
we show them the image of what your face was? It was definitely more than a broken nose,
Please.
even if it wasn't a
It was a
broken nose.
broken upper lip. But the best part
You
of the
can't
day was
break
that
an
he
upper
got to
lip.
skip school. He got to skip school,
Yeah.
so it was all really worth it
Yeah, he
at the
didn't
end.
even get the popularity people think one might get.
And
Like
in
if they break an arm or
and
something.
in class 6,
Everybody will be fawning around you,
Wait,
right?
wait. You get popular once you break your arm?
oh god, he's going to try this.
Really?
I think one person might get popular if they break their arm for any cool
That is
reason,
an
but
insane logic. That is a very
uh,
insane logic. Please explain.
No.
okay, let me explain. if you're doing something cool, like if you're in a fist fight, which people find cool, though I find it dorky,
I don't know
but
why people go in
it's
a fist
about the
fight.
people right now. Anyways, if yeah, I have been into fist fights. Trust me, it's amazing.
Oh, okay.
So if you're in a fist fight and if you have those big guns like I do, hey, I
Hey,
like to speak about myself. Yes, I have bigger guns. I have bigger guns than 10 of your arms. I have biceps and triceps. Have you even a biceps? So just shut up. So if you're in a fist fight and if you break that guy's chin, but they somehow manage to break your arm, that is still a cool. It's very cool. The girls will be around you and they'll be like, "Hey, why'd you get hurt?" And you're like, "It's a fist fight. I hit him really bad, but turns out I got hit myself." And then you'll get a
first of all,
bandage and everybody will be signing on your bandage. It will be nice, but if the way the blue chalk's face got patched up, like, first of all, it's a boys school, so there were no girls. and and while a few of our selected friends whose name I won't reveal, they were roaming around looking quite proud of the blue chalk, I doubt that was the kind of attention he wanted.
first of all, I have 2 points. The first point being that it was incredibly sexist. Second point being, I forgot the second point, so
You
let's just
forget
skip over
half
the
the
second
words you
point.
need to say. Anyways, anybody
That
Okay,
happens
remembers
all
I
the
that
have
time.
boy who broke his head in class
I
6?
had no I had no intention of being sexist, nor do I think I was sexist, but I don't know. The world works in strange ways these days. So, I mean,
NBC.
people like rap. People
Moving
like rap.
on.
If people like rap, then this world is going in a bad way.
Yikes,
How
we
the
are on
hell can anybody
Spotify.
like rap?
By the way,
Yeah, we are on
Morgan,
Spotify. What?
Moving
you
on.
say you've been in fist fights.
Let
I've been in carpool fights. So don't challenge me.
I
Carpool
am
fights
not.
are the
I
worst.
am not in a
I agree.
carpool.
Exactly, carpool fights are
I am
worse.
not in.
I've been in
Yeah.
several. So don't challenge my
Why are you
ass.
guys
Especially
trying to
when you are in a
intimidate me? Why are you
No,
guys trying to
especially when
intimidate
you are
me
in
on
a
Discord?
car
I'm just saying.
especially when you are in a
I'm just saying.
car with okay, say it.
You're in a car with very limited amount of space trying to beat someone in
Exactly.
front of your seat, which is very hard to reach because they are lowered down and you're farther away. So explain that. First of all, it's difficult to
And
even
also
hit you.
everybody wears glasses.
Yes.
Everybody has glasses on their
Okay,
faces,
I
so
have the perfect logic for this. You don't need to hit anybody in a car.
oh, but you
It's
don't know what
insane.
exactly happens
You
in a
don't know what
carpool,
happens in
so
a carpool. So please, you're out of your lane.
did we just act like
Um,
superior beings by talking about fighting?
you
For fuck's
guys are
sake.
trying to say that you are cool because you have been kicked in the carpool. Your arse has been kicked in the carpool. Does that
Well,
I
make you
yes.
haven't
cool?
been
Not at
kicked.
all.
I haven't been kicked.
Siddharth,
I
trust
know I
me.
haven't. Okay, oh, that one
Trust
time,
me.
one
Shut
time.
up,
It
Drac.
is.
That was one
Shut
time
up, Drac.
you were on the other side of the
Shut
road.
up,
You did
Drac.
not know what was
Shut up,
happening.
Drac. Shut up, Drac. Shut up, Drac.
It does not make
Shut
a.
up, Drac.
Okay.
Okay, just somebody
He is
mute that
going.
tape recorder. Yeah,
Yep. Yeah, he is not muted.
it's a
Okay.
broken grammar.
Moving on.
We were
Moving
talking
on
about
to more
TV
TV
shows.
shows.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, I think
Big
it
Bang
is high
Theory.
time. Yeah, we spoke about Big Bang Theory. It's quite nice actually. But it's high time I got my solo segment on why Suits is amazing.
Oh, God,
Anybody?
no.
Everybody mute yourself. It's going to be a monologue, son.
Okay, I'll see you when you're done. Please tell me I'll mute myself for real.
Okay,
Yep.
so here's
Yep.
the deal. Here's the deal. Suits is just bloody brilliant. My I just love all the characters and all the drama in Suits. There's a lot of politics and there's a lot of bad past and a lot of history and a lot of weed and a lot of suits and lawsuits and the suits you wear, both the suits. Now, I have a favorite character. It's not Harvey Specter, it's not Mike Ross. It definitely isn't Mike Ross. It's Louis Late. Somebody just got lit up. Yes, they got lit up bad. So I don't know what suits. It's amazing. Like I like it. I think that's the end of my monologue. Apparently, monologues are
First of
pretty
all,
boring.
yes, they are. First of all, I'd like to say that you mentioned politics and how Star Wars is much, much, much better politics.
And
Star
how
Wars
Star
gang,
Wars sucks, and how Star Wars sucks, and how Star Wars plot holes are infinitely huge. They are bigger than the Death Star, and how Star
because you're
Wars
only
just
looking at the
plot is
movies.
too
You're
weak.
supposed to look into the comics. You're not looking into the comics. You're disregarding the
Star
For the
Wars,
comics and the
record, I've
books.
never seen it.
bro. Star
Dude, you're
Wars
another. Oh
movies,
god.
Star Wars comics.
Oh god.
What the hell is wrong with you? The plot sucks.
The plot sucks only because you have only seen the movies.
The only thing I know about
Like,
Star Wars is that there's Baby Yoda and he's damn cute.
okay, fine.
That was a
I
neutral
think we can
thing.
I think we can all agree to that.
I actually can't. I find Dobby the house elf more cute than Baby Yoda.
What? Dobby the House Elf is
Yes.
like a very ugly Yoda. How? How?
Dobby the house elf is magic Yoda. Okay.
Yoda has magic powers, okay, in the sense of the Force. You
Yoda
cannot
has no
defeat the Force.
magic powers. He just happens to have this glowing stick. Who cares about a glowing stick when you have a brown,
It's
big, fat, when you have a brown, big, fat
box.
handle? You can do lots of things with a brown, big, fat handle. No innuendos, no
So you
innuendos,
mean a
but
stick, a
a
wooden stick?
brown remote is quite nice.
He means a wand. He means a magic wand.
Ah,
For the
and
record.
he's gone Harry Potter. Great.
But I have, I have, I actually have a magic wand attached to me at all times.
And he's gone on a rant.
Oh god, it happened again. Moving on to
Yes.
more pressing matters.
What is the pressing matter? I
Uh,
need to know. What is moving on to pressing matter? What is this pressing matter?
I don't know. I don't know. I watch too much
So
debates and
shut
news.
up.
That's all.
Oh, you can
Okay,
never
so
watch too much of debates.
yeah.
So,
So I think we have run out of TV shows to talk about. So
Brooklyn
now we are
Nine-Nine,
moving
we
on
all have
to
hair.
yes, yes.
We all have
We
had.
haven't talked about Brooklyn Nine-Nine as much as we wanted to. So here goes about my monologue, which is going to be
Yeah.
around 2
And now
hours.
I'll shut up.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Yeah, Brooklyn Nine-Nine is a unique show. Brooklyn. I'm not reading this out of a
Stop
paper,
the
by the way.
accent, please.
Brooklyn Nine. Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Okay, fine. We are cutting. We are cutting this part out. Moving on. Uh, to more pressing matter. We are still cutting this part. We are not on air. We are not on air. Can you guys hear
Yes, I
me?
can hear you. Shut up and talk.
Yeah, we are still off air. I'm thinking of what to say. Till then, does anybody want to go on air and say something?
No.
I want to say
Really?
something. I want to say
Yeah, go
something.
on.
Okay.
Don't make
Uh,
it about.
when you talk about Brooklyn Nine-Nine, there is only one thing I have to say about Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Scully and Hitchcock, they are damn cute. The
They're the
pair is
best duo
amazing.
ever to exist.
They are essential to the
Name
show.
a
Yeah,
name a more iconic duo. I'll wait.
Phineas and
yeah.
Ferb.
There is a more iconic. There is no more
Correct.
iconic duo than Scully and
Let's talk
Hitchcock,
about
and I can
Phineas and
debate about
Ferb.
this.
Let's talk about Phineas and Ferb. They're TV shows that
No,
we all love
we
from
will
our childhood.
definitely not talk about Phineas and Ferb.
It's a TV show.
No, we will.
Shut up.
I veto it. I veto it. So we will talk about
Well,
it.
I veto your veto it.
Wait,
I
what?
veto your veto it, bro.
I've used your
Do
line
you want
against you.
content or not? Oh, good God. I'm
Well,
still
I
going to
veto
go on
your
a
veto
rant
your
about.
veto your veto.
I'm still going on a rant. I'm still
I
going on a
veto
rant.
both
So
of your
mute
vetoes.
yourselves, boys. Okay, fine. Let's move on.
Now,
See, nobody wants to talk about Phineas and Ferb. That's like the most iconic show ever which existed, including Perry the Platypus. Everybody loves Perry the Platypus. Do you guys not love Perry the
yes,
Platypus?
I've seen the movies as
Perry
well.
the Platypus.
Tell me
Just
about
shut
it.
up and listen.
No.
Okay.
Will you talk?
You said
Can't you
listen and
hear?
started.
No, it's very bad, please.
Can't you hear at all?
No.
I can hear a
Why
little.
the hell?
I can hear you. I can hear
I
you.
can hear you, but not the thing you're saying clearly. Like,
Oh, I can hear Merlin well. I can hear
I
him
can
well.
hear him, but not the thing he's trying to tell us.
Well, I
Uh,
guess the audience can definitely hear what I'm playing.
Yes.
the audience can hear it, of course. Anyway, this was off air. We're not going to add the part where we were discussing. Can you hear me? Okay.
Okay, still
Uh,
off air. I
let
have a question.
Yeah, yeah.
We have already shot about 25 minutes. How many of this is just off air?
A lot of it, around five,
Oh,
6 minutes
damn.
is definitely off air.
Okay, so going back on
Till
Yeah.
one,
getting 20 minutes.
two,
But audio assimilation is my portfolio. So
yes.
just give the audio
Yeah,
to me. Whatever I say is going to be final. If you guys think it is off air, but I think it's not off air, jokes on you, it's not off air.
Joke's on you. I have the power to edit your audio.
and I'm uploading on Spotify and everywhere else.
Ha! You just got
Whew, you
roasted.
forget that I have access to that account.
Yeah,
And
but
that
why would
was
you?
not a roast. Why would
Why
you?
not a?
Why
Why
would
would
you?
that be a roast?
Do you
Why
realize
would
you
that
just
be a roast? That
blasted
would
away a
not be a roast.
potential opportunity to actually roast me for a change? Nobody has ever succeeded
No,
in roasting me. I feel very terrible. Nobody, no bloody person in this earth has roasted me properly. While I have
it's
roasted you
actually
guys
fun.
too much.
Few days ago, Ishik was in the voice channel, so I remember this
Oh
perfectly.
god.
You talked about your idiosyncrasies. I roasted you about it. You said it was a proper roast. You said that I had roasted you. Do you have anything to say about that? You have been lawyered.
Will you be my
I
lawyer
table stamped you.
intensifies?
I
Okay,
table stamped really hard.
yeah, wait a second. Oishik, do you want me to be your lawyer?
Nope.
Pro bono. No?
Why? For what?
Pro bono, man. Pro bono. This is gonna be pro bono.
Okay.
The hell is a pro bono?
What the hell? Pro bono means free legal terms like free advocacy. Okay, so I am going to be the Blue Chalk's representative. Yeah, yeah. Read Theodore Boone. See suits, yaar. Yeah, okay. Drac, you have accused my
Yeah.
client. You have accused my client of what?
By the way,
You have
we should
accused.
go
You,
on
okay, so
air and
Drac has
then
not accused my client of anything. Therefore, this shows that Drac has the lack of actually owning up to what he has said in front of
I didn't
open court
accuse your
because he
client.
is
I
actually
accused
a
you.
very insecure person who has no
Objection,
credibility in what he says.
objection,
He has no
objection.
credibility.
I
Overruled.
did not say anything about your, even not the judge. I did not say anything about your client. I said something about you.
Okay, so this is a personal attack on me. Jury, you can see what is going on. First, he attacks my client. Now he tries to intimidate me, but you haven't been closed by
Jury knows
Harvey
damn well
Specter
that I
ever,
have.
have you?
You're Merlin and you're not Harry
I'll tell you
Specter,
what
so
it's like to be closed by Harvey Specter. Just shove
listen
up
to
your
me before.
settlement up your
Before,
arse.
can we go on air
How
and
did this
then
go to
outro this thing and then talk? I don't know.
how did we just go
Because
from
lawyer suits,
lawyering
you
Because
see
to
Suits
that.
is
suits
all
Don't you
about
see that?
reference?
lawyering.
Yes! Oh, goodness. It
Oh,
was
I
just
thought it
interesting
was
to
a
some
business
extent.
thing.
I just cracked my
It's
voice
not.
because of you. By the way, Oishik has only 10 minutes, so let's wrap this episode up, shall we?
No, we can't.
Why did you say the word rap? We all
Yeah, and
hate the
I
word
mean, I
rap
hate
around
both the
here.
kinds of rap. WRAP and RAP.
WRAP. I said WRAP, so
Who likes a WRAP? We all like a good burrito, not
raps
a
are heavy.
WRAP.
But let's get back to the topic and uh, the
Which rap is
WRAP,
heavy?
normal rap, the food rap, not the RAP.
Well, both the raps are heavy. The
Yeah.
RAP
Kylo
is
Ren
heavy with
versus Darth,
lyrics.
Darth Vader. When the hell did that happen?
Just listen to me,
Wait,
Wimby,
what?
please.
No, 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 no,
Can
no.
we
It's really tough to
please?
listen to you. Kylo Ren had a nice
Can we?
lightsaber.
You
Kylo
pendejo.
Ren's
Shut up.
lightsaber was nice.
Pendejo.
His lightsaber was looking good, but actually, if you look at the theory behind it, then it's pretty bad.
Yeah, because he can literally slice off his fingers.
That also, plus he had a very unstable kyber crystal, so
Ah, nobody cares
the
about that. We care about the crucifix shape.
oh good god. Can
Why?
we please wrap this up? No pun intended.
No, no,
Can we
no, no.
please wrap
Both the
this up?
raps are
Yo.
bad.
Okay, okay. Can we please wrap
Yes.
this up?
And this
Yo.
third rap is
Yo,
also
yo,
bad.
yo.
The only good rap is Snoop Dogg. So yeah,
Oh god. Yes,
yeah.
yes. We go, we
We go,
go,
we
we
go, we go,
go.
we go, we go, we go.
Tu, 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 tu,
You
tu,
hypocrites.
tu. Did I just seriously say tu,
Can
tu,
we please
You
wrap
cracked
it up?
your
Yes, I
We've been
broke
voice.
my voice.
recording
Oh.
for 30 minutes. Please wrap it up. Let's go on
Yes,
then
I
and
cracked
wrap
my
it up.
voice hard.
Okay, Vyoman, do the outro.
We were not on air.
Wait, we aren't
What?
on
What
air? We are
the
cutting this out?
hell?
Yeah, who
I
cares?
am
Only
editing.
editing
Modeling
I'll
is
going.
make sure
editing.
that we don't cut it out.
Mo-
Oh, good God. Okay, fine. Just outro it like proper humans do.
Okay,
What
so
do you think?
that was all.
so I guess we have come to
Yes,
an
that
end
was
of our
all for
journey for
this
the first
podcast.
episode.
And I really don't think anybody.
Not for this podcast,
Okay.
for
Podcast
this
episode.
episode. Not for this
Oh,
podcast.
podcast
Podcast
has
still has lot more
episodes. Okay,
episodes
I
to
was
go.
under the impression that we were going to do only one episode. Okay, so
That was a horrible sarcasm.
That's how you
uh,
sounded like.
that was
You did
not
not reach.
sarcasm.
You tried for it. You did not go for it. Okay. You went halfway
Yeah,
and
and
then
that's
stopped.
why I'm
Now
cutting
do
this
the
out.
outro like a
Yeah.
nerd. Oh,
Okay.
come on,
So
man.
that okay.
Alright, just do the outro.
So
Since you're cutting this
yeah.
part, just do the outro.
Okay. So that was it for this episode of our podcast. And if you have stuck till the end, I really don't know what's wrong with you because apparently a lot of our audience hasn't. So if you're actually hearing this, that's quite nice. I mean, nobody listens to long videos and audios like this.
So you, so it means you literally have a
And
lot
if
of
you have a
free
lot of
time.
free
This is
time,
what
you
it proves.
definitely, yeah, if you have a lot of free time, you can actually invest that free time by going over to our YouTube and checking out our individual channels as well, seeing all our content. You can watch our videos. We do a lot of cool stuff which we find cool. And if you've stayed till the end, I'm pretty sure you'll too. So I guess that's it for this episode of this podcast, and we'll be seeing you next week. Toodles.
Toodaloo, bros. Okay, we are cutting this last
To
part out.
lose.